let's try this again. It's May 23rd, and I'm up by Copper Harbor, Michigan, rustic camping at Trails End Campground, and it is rustic. Took me a while to put the tent up. It was rainy, but I got it up, got everything inside, and then it was still rainy, and I went to Hunter's Point for rock hunting. Only went for specific stones. And I found some greenstones. They're not what I was looking for, but decided to get it. And then I went to a gift shop, and I broke down and bought a Uper light. Instead of having to go and try to find it in the dark, that's a lot of work walking in that loose gravel. So then after that, I decided to take a drive and told myself I'm only going to drive so far. And I came to Delaware Mine. Now they are a historic site. They're on the list of historic sites. And they have ancient mining site here too. I'm not taking the tour into the mine. That's 100 steps down and 100 steps back up. And with my knees, I'm just not going to do it. But I'm going to take the above surface walk and go through, look at the just take pictures of the building and do a movie, something to post on YouTube. So let's get going. Swing you around. Put my glasses on. Now I don't know what those cabins are for. Wonder if they rent them out to people. Oops, gotta watch my steps. Well, here's some of the ruins. Oh, the above ground tour is $3. I get to mail them back the money, so I'll be sure to mail them back the money. This is all built with rocks from the mine. It's a copper mine. I have a sample of copper at home. Now this is, I don't know, some machinery. We'll walk along here. Said it's not a very long walk. It'll also be good for me to get the steps in. There's no service up here. I went to call home and let them know I made it okay, and no service. So I have to make believe I know how to get home. Look how big these buildings were that they worked in. Here's one of the machines. Well, I'm going to pause you.